It's
Yeah, if you want. If you want.
Let's get in on the action.
So, by my calculations, this is
What's happening here, Ref?
lubrication.
It's the first time?
Yeah.
Don't be scared. You laughed that one, seriously.
I just fumbled it so hard.
Pulling it out.
So we got hex caps here. You can see. Thank you to Cure MTV for supplying us. Yeah.
It's just snug.
No, it's just when I cut this down, it was not snug. So, put that facing the rider.
Yeah, where's the better?
And there should be that. This.
New top.
Thanks to Hex. Unfortunately, I will not be running the Hex cap
Oh, you've been dropped.
because of this new trinket. Yeah,
You think that's
yeah.
funny? You think that's funny?
Okay, so far. Screw yeah. Don't know. Yeah. Starts at 6. No, I'm absolutely sick of this attitude.
Gobsmacked.
This video's gonna be
Freaky out. Yeah, I really don't care about them either. I'm not looking.
Yeah, brake is pretty grim. Grimace.
Good off.
This bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should ask me that. And
For some reason, I can't screw this in because the paint is too thick.
my tongue's too thick. Can't
Oh,
speak.
it's okay.
Just like this is getting cut right here.
So, this is my new bike deal. We're out here. For pass, we got Chromag out here. I got a little deal with Chromag. They're supporting me this year, so pretty stoked on that one from them. So, got an all fresh set of everything. Shadow gyro. Switched from Odyssey because the friction is less on this, even though it's not a sealed bearing, it's still way better. Rockshot Pike DJ at the front. Custom stickers. Saw these stickers leaked on the from Amelia Hansen's forks. I don't know how I saw them, but I did, and I got them custom printed from Sleek Graphics. XO1 cranks, picked them up in Canada, secondhand marketplace. Old cranks, so they're better. They're shorter than my old cranks. Stoked on the bike.
Look at this gimp.
Oh, come.